Hello Math Explorers. Today we're learning how numbers become best friends and add up to make bigger numbers. We call this addition. Are you ready to play? Just give me a moment. Let me bring my magnificent board. Meet Milo and Mila. Milo has 1 banana. Mila brings 1 more. How many do they have together? Yes, when we put 1 plus 1, we get 2. We write it like this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let us try it with different numbers. Milo has 2 bananas. Mila brings 1 more. How many do they have together? Yes, when we put together 2 and 1, we get 3. We write it like this. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now, let's throw a toy party.
Oh, yeah.
I need helpers. I need 2 students to come in front. I give the first student 3 dinosaurs. Second student adds 2 more. How many dinosaurs altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dinosaurs. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5. What does plus mean? Putting together. What does equal mean? The total. Ready to play. If I say 2 plus 3, jump 2 times. Then 3 times. How many jumps total? 5 jumps. Correct. 1 plus 4. Kids jump 1 time plus 4 times equals 5 jumps. What's 1 plus 4? 5. 0 plus 3. Kids jump 0 time plus 3 times equals 3 jumps. Why? Because 0 changes nothing. Great job, math superstars. In the next lesson, we'll add even bigger numbers.